Hey everyone.
In just about 6 minutes, we're going to be going to the library to do the pictures in the library. So, again, leave your stuff in here.
Anyway, so where I went to look me on the list, so I'm going to say to be Amanda Paris. Here we go.
Get mine.
Say hi. So anyway, how has this school year been for you?
It's good. It went by really fast, though.
I know, that's the same thing I said. But anyway, so what was your favorite time?
Can y'all get the mic?
I don't know the color.
Joker is awesome.
A lot of good times this year, huh?
Yeah.
There's a lot of present times too, isn't it?
The present time. You know what I'm saying? With a J in with a
Okay. But so you made lots of friends, new friends this year?
Oh, really?
Me!
It wouldn't have been.
Yeah, but anyway, you know, we just got done with our autographs and stuff. Did you get a lot? Because I didn't.
Yeah, I got quite a bit.
Yeah, I should. Let's look at the autographs, people. Whoa!
Yeah, I got quite a bit.
Look at those autographs. Okay. And then Lynette wants me to take a picture with her. Like she gets all nervous. But anyway, that's the end of our interview because Lynette wants to take a picture. So bye.